morning.
Good morning. So today we have my favourite Geeky.
Have you cancelled it?
I've only got one left.
Ah.
After this one. So we're doing this one and another one which I'll tell you about when we get there. So maybe their labeler was broken, Jenny, because this one is...
Yes, and maybe I sent good vibes through that box.
Oh, did you now?
Yeah, it might be the best box
Well,
ever.
I'm pretty sure it's going to be the same great stuff we've had before.
You know, people buy these. Why don't they buy our boxes? Our boxes are amazing.
Okay.
No, let's stay with these guys.
Alright. So again, these are the classic boxes. My opinion, stay away from them. Unless you like it. I don't know, you might like it. I don't like it. Okay.
Don't look.
We got our shirt. Does it say what size it is? No. Oh, this is the large. This is what I bought for my daughter, but she's not going to wear this black one. My niece, one of my nieces might. I think, is it okay, Storm Rider, you're up.
Is it Doctor Who?
Well, I thought it was Doctor Who, but I don't think so.
Ah.
It looks like a cooler. So, doesn't have anything on the tag. But anyway, that's the shirt. I'm definitely not putting that on for you because my boobs would probably pop out the top.
Oh, it look like tonsils.
All right, next thing out. Superhero bookmark. Well, so far it's been different. What's a superhero bookmark? Oh, that's cool. There's Iron Man shoes. I don't have a book. Oh, you do. So it must go in. This is just my posting book. Go in like that.
Yeah. Oh, there's something different.
If we can't protect the earth, you can be damn sure we'll avenge it. There you go. Oh, I hope you can't hear my belly rumbling. Oh, see my fat. That was gross. Okay, so that's that. So we got a bookmark. What else do we have? Oh, we have something in... Oh, what's this? Oh. World of Warcraft. What are they? Booster pack. Trading cards.
I might be able to put them in the older boys' pack.
Yeah. Okay, so I think... Yeah. Another mask. Now, I'm sure these are from... No one corrected me last time, so I must be right. I think these are from Crash Bandicoot. I don't know why his mouth's so big.
Not a good look.
So, it's just whatever that is. What else do we have in here, Jenny?
Stop peeking.
Oh, well, that's why I've got to peek.
Why?
Because all the friggin' shit comes out.
Oh, she's lovely. Oh, it's a love heart. Your daughter might wear that.
She might wear that.
Big head, though.
Why is it so big?
I know, it's huge. Be too big for
I look like I'm bald.
That's a big hat. Although you can...
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can.
Still a big hat.
Take that out. Oh, now I made it too small. I'm guessing that's like lives out of like computer games and stuff. Where
yeah. Oh, that's better.
Still a very big brim. Look like a duck.
Quack, quack.
Anyway, not for me, but my daughter might like that one. Okay, so
Look at the face. You can tell it all in one face.
this one's pretty cool. So this is a travel mug. Oh, it's not. What's happening? It's not coming out.
Break.
Oh, there we go.
Well, that looks like the shirt, doesn't it?
No.
Don't know.
No, it's not. That's a cooler.
Oh.
This is like R2-D2 or something. But that's porcelain.
I know who'd buy that.
Who?
Gail. Okay.
Oh, maybe. Okay, so that's that. That's
Yeah,
from Star Wars, Travel Mug, Disney, licensed. That's always good. But it doesn't say who. I think it was,
Oh, you did it. You did it, girly.
yeah. I think it was, I think it's R2-D2. Yeah, I know you're all going to yell at me if I'm wrong. Alright, and the last thing, sorry. Not really.
Yes, you are.
So what?
Sorry.
And we've already had this one. It's a shame it's not the How to Train Your Dragon because my niece would have liked to have them. So, and that's just Mario Kart, Luigi, and I don't know, the mushroom. Does the mushroom have a name? I don't know. So that's that. So that box wasn't too bad. Like, I thought this was pretty cool.
$25.
The travel mug. Well, I paid $18 for the box.
Well, there you go.
Yeah. So if you didn't hear that, how much did you say that was?
25.
$25 for the travel mug. The hat, $10. Bookmark, probably about $5. I don't know what this is. I look really cool with my hat. The brackets.
That's pretty cool. I like that.
And then these things. And then the shirt. So, I mean, they probably didn't do too bad on that box. So,
It was my vibes. It was my vibe.
Okay. So, that's it. One more box and then we're done with them. Okay. Next box, Jennifer.
Next box. ZBox.
So this is our monthly subscription ZBox. And this is, what month is this, Jenny? Where does it say? Doesn't say. How am I supposed to know? What month are we in? August. So this is the July box.
Might have been the box I thought.
No, come to my house.
I sent it to your house.
Casey Bryson.
I sent it to that.
Casey Bryson. You
Yeah.
put it in my name.
Yeah.
Well, I doubt it, but we'll see. Okay, so we got our air. No. No more boxes. July box. Okay, so first out, we have Jaws, Amity Island flag. Now, I'm not going to open that, but that's what it looks like. So, oh, there's a barcode there.
Mm.
All right, next thing out, we have a Wonder Woman DC comic figure. That's pretty cool. I don't know if you can hear, but I think the postie's here and the dog's going ballistic downstairs. Look at the size of her boobies.
Oh.
Look at that. Look, you can see the... Jesus. See her boobs?
Are you a little jealous?
No, well, mine just don't sit like that. All right, so, we've got a shirt. I forgot about the shirt. Harry Potter. Oh, this is a
Someone's
big
going to
shirt.
have to do a magic.
This is double XL. This is huge. That is really big, but let's do magic. I liked my Toy Story. All right.
Wear it in the next one.
Where's me mousy dousey? All right, ready? And magic. Anyway, it's a bit big. It's a bit more of like a 90. I don't know. I think they've sent me the wrong size because normally the ZBox shirts are a pretty good fit. So, I mean, maybe I could roll the sleeves up. I don't know. But Harry Potter shirt, I do like it. It's very thin, like thin, but it's very comfortable.
Wear it as a 90.
Yeah. All right, Jennifer, you're going to like this next one. Bam! DC comic graphic novel Batman. A Death in the Family.
And where? What part?
It's Robin.
What part of that am I liking?
Because I can open this one. You didn't let me open the last one. Look at that. That's pretty good. So these are for sale.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure. Well, the last one was $20 Australian. And oh, this is cool. Look at this.
Uh-oh, someone's going to want that. Don't know who.
Out of time. It is Back to the Future. Number plate.
Come put it on your car.
Yeah. So that's
Kassie has Elvis Presley on her car.
yeah. That's pretty cool. I like that. It's 10. That was a good month. I'm a little bit disappointed about the shirt because they've sent me the wrong size. So,
well, if they're watching, could you just put that same shirt in the next box in her size?
yeah, and it's a men's shirt. And I've got the ladies box. So, I think they've sent me the men's box. So, I don't know.
Well, of course they did.
So, we've got... So, I'm going to say $15 for the shirt. Your number plate, normally around $10 Australian. Flag, what did you say the flag was?
The flag didn't come up.
Okay, let's go at $5 for the flag. This one was, how much did you say this was?
51.
51?
And that was, well, it said 30.
So 30 for the book, which is pretty cool. So if you're wanting one of these, Storm Rider, I know you're into this sort of stuff. So if you wanted to buy these, give us a drop us a comment down below.
An 18.
An 18, yeah. I thought it was about $10. So definitely well over our value. So yeah, I do like the Z boxes. Like if I had to pick between my Geek box or the Z box, it'd have to be the Z box because you do get a lot better stuff. We did get a lot more in this box this month.
I bought 2 mystery boxes from ZBox.
Yeah.
They can have anything in it. I think it's leftover stock or whatever. So it doesn't have a theme. They're just completely mystery.
Yeah, well, I think this theme was something from Jaws, DC, Back to the Future, Batman.
TV shows.
And Harry Potter. So, Harry Potter's not a TV show, just so we're clear. Neither's Jaws.
Could be. Well, I saw it on TV.
Neither's Back to the Future.
Saw it on TV.
Do you want me to keep going?
No, I want you to shut that F up.
Oh! All right, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Hit the little bell notification. Drop us a comment down below. Give us a great big thumbs up. And peace.
Bye.